What's up, Kennedi? Welcome back. And if you're new, hey, hello. My name is Kennedi Renee. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a braid out on my fully washed hair. So if you haven't seen the video of me washing my hair, make sure you check that video out. And yeah. So first I'm going to start in the back to get that out the way. And the way I'm doing this braid out is kind of different than how I usually do it. I'm going to be doing cornrows. So let's just see how this turns out. And the moisturizer I'm going to be using is the My Moisturizer Hair Care. I used their shampoo and conditioner in my previous video. And this is how it looks. This is my first time using this product. So we're going to see the results tomorrow too. The moisturizer is so far really thick. It's really thick. I'm making sure I put it a lot on my ends and at the roots of my hair. See how moisturized that looks?
Yo.
Finished the two braids. So now I'm just going to do the same thing I did on this side in this section. So I'm going to see y'all when I'm done, the back. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with the back of my head. This is how it looks. This one is longer because I just got done braiding this one, but it's going to shrink up like these. So for the front of my head, I was thinking about doing a side part, not a middle part. So I'm going to have to part my hair into a side part. So I want it to be like a curve part. So I'm gonna try to like go like that. Just like that. See? It's already straight. So I think on this side I'm going to be doing maybe 2 cornrows. Let's see. 1. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2. Yeah, 2 cornrows. This cornrow right here. I finished that one. I don't know where that last video left off at, but I finished that one and I'm on this one. So this is how the braids look. And then I'll see y'all whenever I take these out. Okay, yeah, so this is how it looks before combing like the roots of it to make the hair bigger. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna use a comb. I'm gonna use this comb to like do like that. It's my first time doing this, so we're gonna see if I do a good job. I don't want to mess my hair up, so yeah. Let's do the back first.